Los Angeles is one of the most extravagant cities in the United States. It harbors the most beautiful and luxurious homes you can find anywhere in the world. Welcome back to Lavish Traveling. Today we take a ride through some of the most luxurious homes in Los Angeles. Without further ado, let's get into it. 5. The One, $340 million. The hilltop home, suitably titled The One, makes its impression as the most luxurious home in the United States, listed at the current bidding price of $340 million. According to the sources, the recently completed 105,000 square foot property includes a 5,500 square foot master suite, 21 bedrooms, and 42 bathrooms. The estate also comprises a 30-car garage gallery, featuring 2 display turntables and a 500-foot-long jogging track surrounding the property. Designed by architect Paul McLean and interior designer Catherine Rotondi, this one-of-a-kind home features an art gallery, a hair and beauty salon, a spa level, a 4-lane bowling alley, a 30-seat movie theater, entertainment spaces with a 200-person capacity, 5 swimming pools, and a 10,000-square-foot sky deck. The facilities designed for entertaining are separated from the living spaces, aimed at creating a more comfortable and cozy home life for the future owner. 4. Villafrenze, $165 million. Villafrenze is now listed at $165 million, making it one of the most extravagant homes in the United States and worldwide. This mega mansion is placed at 67 Beverly Park Court, Beverly Hills, California, and it features 11 bathrooms, 8 bedrooms, and approximately 28,660 square feet of living space, which were built in 1998. This Mediterranean Italian-style mega mansion is situated on more than 5 acres of land. Apart from the main house, there are also 2 guest houses and a pool house. Outdoor features include a swimming pool, a tennis court, pavilions, grottos, and an orchard, a motor court with a fountain, and party patios. The Mediterranean mansion is owned by billionaire Stephen Udvar-Hazy. Located on 7 sprawling acres that could stand as an authentic Italian village, this property is a palazzo-style masterpiece. 3. Chartwell Estate, $150 million. The house was sketched by Sumner Spalding in 1933 in the form of a French chateau. It was built for the contractor and engineer Lynn Atkinson, who authorized the property for his wife. The house, located on 10 acres with gardens designed by Henry Samuel, was later owned by Arnold Kirkby and Jerry Perenchio. In 2019, the mansion was reported to have been sold to Lachlan Murdoch for about $150 million, which was the highest sale price for any house in California history. The estate features 11 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms, a 5-bedroom guest house designed by Wallace Neff, a pool house, secret tunnels, a 12,000-bottle wine storage facility, a car gallery with enough room for 40 cars, and acre upon acre of manicured gardens. The home is impressive from every angle. 2. Palazzo Di Amor, $129 million. 9505 Lania Lane, Beverly Hills. Palazzo Di Amor was initially marketed as the most expensive home in the United States when listed for $195 million in 2014. The price dropped in 2014 to $129 million, where it remains today. The 53,000 square foot home sits on 25 acres with 12 bedrooms, including a 5,000 square foot master suite, 25 bathrooms, a 15,000 square foot entertainment center with a bowling alley, 50-seat state-of-the-art movie theater and discotheque, a 24-car garage, and 25 acres of grounds, including a wine-producing vineyard, 150-person infinity pool, reflecting pool, and tennis court, parking for approximately 150 cars, guardhouse, private driver's quarters, guest house, wine cellar, spa, formal gardens, and city-to-ocean views. 1. The Manor, $120 million. The Spelling Manor is a 56,500 square foot French chateau-style home with 123 rooms. For some viewpoints, it's bigger than the White House. The manor was sketched by designers from James Langenheim and Associates and built in 1988 for TV producer Aaron Spelling. Escalated over 5 acres of land, the estate also features rose gardens, rolling lawns, fountains, citrus orchards, a swimming pool, a tennis court, and statues. Spelling tailored the house for himself and his wife Candy, who fancied over 20 custom rooms, including a barbershop, humidity-controlled silver storage rooms, gift wrapping rooms, and a flower cutting room. The Manor has a French wine and cheese room refurbished with trimmings of sidewalk cafe-style tables and chairs. There's even a bowling alley with its very own shoe closet. In 2011, the Manor sold for $85 million to Petra Eccleston, who renewed the home for 12 weeks. Her lavish remodelings included a massive aquarium for the study, a basement nightclub, and black-striped marble for the entryway and lounge. The Manor sold for $119.7 million to an anonymous buyer in June 2019, which was the highest sale in California's history at the time. And with that, we've come to an end. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon to turn on post notifications. Also, do let us know in the comments below which one of these homes you found the most luxurious. Until next time, stay tuned.